Unlocking deals. New arrivals on sale explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might come across while shopping online or in stores. New arrivals on sale. This phrase can be a little confusing, especially for those learning English, so let's break it down together and make sure you can use it confidently in your conversations and shopping adventures. New arrivals on sale combines two concepts that are very important in the world of shopping. Let's look at each part. New arrivals refer to items that have recently been added to the store's collection. These are the latest products that a store offers, ranging from clothes to electronics, and everything in between. On sale means that these items are being offered at a reduced price for a certain period. This reduction can be due to various reasons, such as a promotion, a clearance, or to attract more customers to the new products. This phrase is significant for both shoppers and businesses. For shoppers, it's an opportunity to purchase the latest items at lower prices, allowing them to get trendy or new products without spending too much. For businesses, it's a strategy to attract customers to their newest offerings and increase sales. Understanding this phrase helps you make informed decisions when shopping and can lead to savings and discovering the latest trends or products in the market. When you see new arrivals on sale, here are a few tips on how to approach these deals. 1. Check the dates. Sometimes, the sale is only for a limited time. Make sure you know how long the discounts will last. 2. Compare prices. Just because something is on sale doesn't mean it's the best deal out there. Do a quick check online to see if other stores offer better prices. 3. Inspect the items. Especially for new arrivals, reviews might be scarce. Inspect the quality and features of the product to ensure it meets your needs. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, new arrivals on sale, and how you can use this knowledge to enhance your shopping experience. Remember, understanding these small but significant phrases can make a big difference in your everyday life, especially when English is not your first language. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!